What's up, everybody? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing a progress report video. As you guys know, we've been working on the channel. We've been adding Redbubble videos. You guys have been loving it. And I actually want to pose to you guys a question. So we're actually going to be doing a progress report with everything that's currently going on the YouTube channel. But I have a few questions for you guys, and this is actually important. You guys are part of the community. You guys matter to me, and I really want to know what your opinion is. Is that should we include these videos and have them translated on a different channel in a different language? I'm thinking about creating another channel for you guys. Or even on this channel, it doesn't really matter what channel it is, but should we include the videos for an international audience? I've been thinking about it, but I wanted to come to you guys and consult with you guys and see what your opinion is. Do you think it's a good idea? Do you think that we should go and create different language videos, in Russian, in Chinese, in Japanese, in Indian, in Arabic, just so that we can essentially help the rest of the world with this process with Redbubble, not just the English speakers only? I'm not sure. I want to see what you guys have to say. You guys are very, very important to me, and maybe there's some people who are watching these videos but are not actually listening to the questions or essentially the volume that I'm saying because it's in a different language. Maybe they're just seeing the images, maybe they're just seeing the video and trying to piece something together. You guys let me know. I'm very, very, very interested. I personally think it would be a good move. I definitely have to seek out some help with that. I'll probably search some ways how to do that online, take in some information around that. But at the end of the day, my goal is to just help as much as we can with this Redbubble. In fact, I'm actually going to make it a new goal of mine. I'm going to make it a new goal. Whenever somebody starts doing well on Redbubble, we have to shout them out on this channel. We got to do shout out videos. We got to do where we give you guys the attention you guys deserve for doing well and for actually succeeding. I think in general, entrepreneurship is not celebrated enough, and Redbubble might be a place where people can become celebrated, can become successful in a certain niche, in a certain area of their lives. And what better way to become successful than make money online? Especially in the world that we live in today, where we got diseases and viruses going out in the world. Maybe this is helping people stay home and build businesses and make income. It's just so meaningful to me, and I feel great about it. So, this is something important to me, and that's kind of my question. Now, with that being said, progress report on the Redbubble store that was publicly shown. Okay, yes, there actually are a few copycat stores. So I have something to say for all the copycat stores out there. First of all, you know who you are. I feel a little bit jaded by it? Maybe a little bit. Maybe like 5% of it I do feel a little bit down about. But with that being said, I'm not going to report those stores. I'm not going to report those accounts being taken down. Nothing like that. I just feel that, two negatives don't make it a positive. Okay? At the end of the day, my message is positivity. My message is helping people grow. And if you choose to copy another store, specifically my store, it is what it is. At the end of the day, I'm planning to make multiple stores, and I don't plan on spreading negativity. And that's specifically why I am dedicated to not, taking anybody's designs down, hurting anybody in any sort of negative fashion. Even if they're copying me, even if they might be ripping me off or anything like that, I don't care. I'm not doing it. And that's something I'm going to stand for. Now, in terms of a progress report, we have 61 total designs on this specific store. I told you guys my goal for this specific store was 130 by the end of the month, so we can close off the year, and then we could start fresh with all the new stores that we're working on, and we go hard and we go strong, and we have a game plan for the success of 2022. Amongst that, obviously, we have the Redbubble courses. So if you guys go to Autopilot passiveincome.com and click on this Redbubble course. This is the first Redbubble course that we have released and that we are currently working on. We just added new content to the course, and every day that we do add new content to the course, you guys are going to be aware. At first we had, I believe, 6 videos, and then we just added 3 yesterday. And what the course is all on is the keyword research behind the SEO behind Redbubble. So we're talking about keyword research and SEO for Google, and keyword and SEO research for Redbubble. So both algorithms, as you guys know, there are 2 different algorithms. Obviously, you have the Godfather, you have the one and only Google, and Google is the big algorithm, and then you have the internal algorithm of Redbubble, and traffic comes from 2 of these different areas the most for our stores, and it's just another way to gain success with Redbubble. So the course is live. It's been live for a few days now. I just haven't said much. For the people that do buy the course, you can click on the button here to pay for it. You can access it via this login button, or you can access it via this button here, the already a customer, and you get to access the content. Now, like I said, we're always adding content to the course. In fact, we've added an area in the course where consumers of the course, students of the course, can easily request content. There is a contact form within the course where you can contact us and you can request content. On top of that, if you guys ever need to contact me for a particular reason, obviously I'm not going to be able to reply to everybody, but there's a contact me button right here. You guys can message me. Okay, but once again, in terms of different languages, in terms of bringing different content to you guys, if the languages thing is a good idea, we're going to even make the content on the course different languages. We'll have buttons, Spanish, English, French, Russian, whatever languages you guys need, we're going to bring it to you if that's the case. If that's the case that you want for the courses to be in multiple different languages. Our goal, like I said, 2022 is coming, and it's coming fast, and it's coming ASAP. It's real soon. So we want to be able to support the Redbubble community to the utmost. Right now, Redbubble is going like crazy. People are making money. Just today, we had somebody comment on the video, and they said there was a German creator who's making 10 to 25 grand a month on Redbubble. Guys, if there is no better time to get on Redbubble than now. So this video was just a quick progress report of everything that's going on. As you guys know, our goal for this year is to create 10 stores, 10 new stores on Redbubble where we make profit, we make income, and we get as many designs up as possible. I'm not going to say that we're going to guarantee to hit 20,000 designs. We already had a good head start from this year. Technically, in the future, I'll call it last year. But for this year, for 2021, we got a good head start. We're getting there. But I think 2022 is going to be a real strong year for us as a community. We're all going to get better with Redbubble. We're all going to produce more content. We're all going to become successful, or more successful than we currently are. I think 2022, the year coming up, a lot of people who were once not self-employed are going to become self-employed. So I'm calling it out this year. Success is coming. So, let me know, guys. What do you want to do? You guys want different languages? You guys want a channel with different languages, different content? Please let me know. I'm going to create a ton of free content. We're actually going to create a website where you guys get free graphics, free access to free graphics, and I'm gonna be real happy to support all you guys. And we're building a community here with all this content. We might even create a forum somewhere where we could talk to each other about Redbubble growth. I'm real excited for that. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye.